chicken or wait name the rape chicken. At first, I see something like this, you know. Yo, trust me. So I'm gonna do something now. If a white car pass, no man want to know. Alright. Play a game with you know. And sometimes when you say if car pass, so at them time the car no come. Alright, we'll see now what car come. Let's see. How if a man want
Monday, we'll get a full court in overall court.
And this is Paula over here.
No. I was going back on Monday.
I want to go bus to
No, I never get the chance to go yesterday. Carry show.
Oi!
Yeah, man, we are going to get the car when we go down there Monday, the video call. Okay? Alright, cool. Whatever. Akan kuna Japan.
Guys, my man a jerk eating chicken. When I can come support him in Westmoreland. If we not have a beach trip or anything, it's on the main road. Solas. Burn Savannah. Wanna please come support, wanna share it up. Okay? Today I try to sell chicken for the rain.
Give me the phone, because you don't vlog good enough. So, Mr. God, we out here. Fall! Look how we determined. Eh?
Look out when I look at you.
You see rain fall here, will something about leg on it? Rain!
Determination.
Chicken! Watch out! Look how you breathe, my blow. Somebody come buy a whole lot of chicken, them guys. We not got them in.
These guys, how y'all doing? How's everything? They are chill and clean. Guys, up to all of the person here that them broke up. Up Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, now them 5 days now. Guys, look there. Chicken are waiting on the I said, guys, no sir, please, remember subscribe to my channel. Guys, are 2 duck and not chicken. I get it wrong. Sorry if you can't hear me good, come here tell you say a pure rain down here. Oh, look on the 2 duck, them have sex. Him nah give up, you know. I say him nah give up. Watch ya. I'm glad I catch your footage, yeah. You guys watch how they must shake, they must say, yo, I'm happy, this feel good. Come, boss. Come, more. And she said, left me alone. I be myself here, but guys, I never see that yet. Never. I say, I'm seeing guys who's 100%. You wanna show that two did it to come off. But them nice guys, it better than acrylic. I'm not telling you like cause acrylic damage my nails, them damage. You know. And the glue I put on it could come off. So yeah, but guys, remember like, share, comment and subscribe for more. And you know, always see me. Alright. Hey guys, today is Friday. I'm supposed to upload a video here, but you know, I never get enough uploads. So I'm just there. Yes guys, and this is beautiful. This place is so beautiful. Trust me guys, Jamaica is so beautiful. Look how the tree green and look nice. Peaceful up there. You can sit down to the park up there, so you sit down and you just look out from down the hills. It's so beautiful. The sky guys, and the time is cool and it's cool and it's nice. It's just nice something. And that's the main road. We have to see cars, some taxi. So when you pass, okay, let's play a game now, guys. When them play a game, so if white car pass, the man want you. If black car pass, him no want you. Yo, trust me. So I'm gonna do something now. If a white car pass, the man want to know. Alright. Play a game with you know. And sometimes when you say if car pass, so at them time the car no come. Alright, we'll see now what car come. Let's see. How if a man want them? Last man no want to know. Never do that to me now. Yes guys, my turn now. Grey, whitish. So we used to play some game I tell you with a normal. Yeah guys, so you know, I can tree that up there so. Yeah, you know. See it up there so guys. Hope you're beautiful, man. I tell no lie. So a white car there. Yeah, somebody I play one game with it interested though. But it's peaceful here, sunny. And then later it starts to pure rain and fall and them something there. And you know, later jerk have a go on and rate it, whatever. And you know, I enjoy myself. So let's see a grey car. Oh, grey pass over there so and white. And over here so pure black. Wanna come white. Tell you guys, no man no want to know because as I start me say, when if you want to play that game, you only can play it. We used to play it around the back of my yard and me say any I may tell you so me say if your man want you and thing white car orange you not see none. But you say as soon as you move and you're not busy with the game, appear white car, yeah. So life funny bad. But guys, don't remember, subscribe, like, share, comment, and I always depend live every 9 o'clock. So please tune in Chantel TK1 and wanna come support up the live and everything. Alright, take care till next time. Bye.